Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel English with Sagar. Friends, today we will learn series of word power made easy sessions. This is one of the best books to increase English vocabulary. I will provide you pictorial explanation of each session, so stay updated with my channel for valuable upcoming sessions. So today I will give you brief introduction of all the sessions. Let's start with a motivational quote, that is, everything is possible when you believe. So let's prove this quote and start learning this book. Let's start with introduction part of this book. Word Power Made Easy. Written by Norman Lewis. Let's learn it in simple way. So friends, it has three parts. Part 1 is getting off a good start. Part 2 is gaining increased momentum. Part 3 is finishing with a feeling of complete success. So part 1 Part 1 is Part 1 consists of session 1 to 3 of how to talk about personality types, and next session 4 to 6 consists of how to talk about doctors. In next sessions 7 to 10, how to talk about various practitioners. In next sessions 11 to 13, how to talk about science and scientists. And in 14 to 17 session, we will learn how to talk about liars and lying. Session 18 is how to check your progress, comprehensive test 1. In part 2, 19 to 23, how to talk about actions. Session 24 to 27 is how to talk about various speech habits. In session 28 to 31, how to insult your enemies. In session 32 to 37, how to flatter your friends. And in last session of part 2 is how to check your progress, comprehensive test 2. Now part 3, how to talk about common phenomena and occurrence, session 39 to 41. And in session 42 to 44, we will learn how to talk about what goes on. In next session, that is 45 to 46, we will learn how to talk about various variety of personal characteristics. And in last session 47, how to check your progress, comprehensive test 3. Next small chapter is how to keep building your vocabulary. So friends, this is today's video. Thanks for watching video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Let's see you in next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.